Hello, thank you for previewing my listing. If you would like to schedule an appointment to see this home, please contact me and I will be happy to arrange this for you. This neat and tidy home in the 55-plus community of American Village is located on an interior street and is one of the larger floor plans offered with just over 1,100 square feet. Offering a high walkability rating so you can enjoy the nearby walking/jogging trails. Additionally, shopping, a movie theater and local post office are also within walking distance. Easy care and water-wise landscaping in the front yard, but a sprinkler system is in place for buyers with a green thumb. The interior is bright and cheery. The split floor plan offers privacy for house guests or caregivers. The living room features a used brick fireplace for cozy wintry evenings, ample windows and newer carpeting. The abundance of cabinetry and newer appliances in the kitchen is sure to encourage your culinary creativity. The spacious owner's suite offers linen storage, vaulted ceilings, mirrored wardrobes and a window seat that may inspire you to enjoy some reading and relaxing. A thoughtfully inspired floor plan that feels expansive and is still a manageable size to maintain. The backyard is entirely cemented, so you will not need your lawn mower. Low taxes and HOA fees of only $95 per month. A community garden.